deadly experiments, top secret plans. It is a conspiracy of institutional corruption. Think you know what's really going on?
They probably are listening to our conversation.
Think again. You have no idea what people are doing right under your nose.
Department of Homeland Security's being untruthful with the American public. Absolutely. Don't believe what you don't know.
Conspiracy theory. It's Mossway. For the highway. Mud Roadhouse. On there. Wednesday at 9:30. Only on CTV.